Hi everyone, it's so great to be back. It is Nail of the Week, the fourth in the series for my winter/Christmas nails. And these are my Christmas nails. Stay tuned. Welcome everybody. It is wonderful to see each and every one of you, and it's great to be back doing another Nail of the Week design. This is the series that I've been doing for winter/Christmas nails, and these nails are my Christmas nails. I'm super excited about them. Let me share them with you. Now, there isn't a lot of art, but there's a lot of glamour to this one. Check these out. Aren't they stunning? I love them. And I cannot wait to show you the toe design and then the grand finale of all of this, the Fashion Fridays outfit of the day look for my Christmas look. I am so excited. These nails match so good. I just can't wait to share it with you guys. But anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I hope all of you have a very Merry Christmas tomorrow, and you will get the video on Friday, but it's what I wore for tomorrow for Christmas. So let's get started on this design. I love you guys very much. God bless, take care, and until my next upload, we'll see y'all. Hey everyone! So here's what I chose to go with for the last of my Christmas series and my actual Christmas nails. Gold, sparkle, encrusted rhinestones, and a couple pearl accent nails. If you guys would like to see how I did this one, continue watching. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Nail of the Week. My fourth winter/Christmas nails that I've done in this Christmas series, and my actual Christmas nails. And as you see, I have got a brand new set of nails done in a coffin shape. I had to go back to my long nails. I just love them long. I did want to do that short look for you guys in my last video just to show you that you can do all kinds of art even on short nails. But I love long nails, and especially for this look, I need them to be long and gorgeous. Let me start by showing you what I've got on my nails here. I have bumped a couple of them, but that's okay. I can cover them. But I have got a beautiful white like pearl and gold nails. Both are done with kind of a pearly look, so when you're painting with these colors, make sure you don't do too many brush strokes. Otherwise, yeah, it doesn't look too good. But let me show you that first. So I'm using the Revlon here, the Color Stay Gel, and it's called Jackpot. Beautiful gold. And also by Revlon, I'm using this pearly color, and it's just called Pure Pearl. I will list everything down in the box. And then in this Christmas series that I've been doing, I've been working with micro glitters. So I'm going to do gold. If you remember how I did each one, the blue had the blue glitter, the green had the green glitter, and my last one, the Santa look with the red, had the red glitter. Now I'm going to do gold with this micro glitter. And I'm going to encrust it on the nails, just make them look absolutely gorgeous. And then I'm also going to work with Swarovski crystals. I've got these beautiful gold crystals here done in different sizes. I'm going to encrust one of the nails with that. And then the one that I'm going to do the art on is my pearl nail right there. I'm going to put some of these through that after I do the art. And when I do the art on that nail, I'm going to go ahead and use the same gold. Since my acrylic paints, I don't have this color gold and I don't want it to get messed up. This has to be gorgeous. It's my Christmas nails. So I'm going to work with this and Robin Moses's brush, the wand, right here, Robin Moses. Whoops, my ring. My fingers are getting so skinny from the weight I'm losing. None of my rings fit me anymore. RobinMosesNailArt.com. That's how you order the brushes, and it is called the wand. So I'm going to be using that for the art. And Then after I'm all done, I will top everything off with this Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat. So there won't be a lot of art in this one, but it's going to be glitzy and gorgeous for Christmas. So I'm super excited. And as you see here, I got a brand new wedding set for my husband this year. Isn't that gorgeous? Love it. Now, I have my original set that I got married, and I think I explained that in my live video when I was talking to you guys. It's a Tanzanite diamond, and I didn't want to ever have it sized down because I always want to have that memory of what size I wore in a ring. I wore a 10 before I ever started to lose weight. And after I lost all the weight, I am now a size 6. And the size before this, I've actually lost more weight. That's why I'm a 6, but I was a 7, and then I've lost more weight, 13 more pounds, and I am down to a size 6 now. Well, when he got this ring, he thought I was the 7 still, and so it twirls and everything and moves on my finger. So yeah, I'm just losing so much weight. I need to go to another size. But isn't this gorgeous? Love this ring. And he tends to do this like not every year, but last year, I don't know if you guys seen my channel, last year he got me one, and then this year he got me this one because I really love a band and a band with it, a wedding band with it. So that's why he got that. But you see how tall that sits up? I love the way this ring sits up. I love it so much. But yeah, he just gets me them. They're not real stones. It is done with a sterling silver, real metal. And the stones are not real because I do have a real set. But like I said, I just like different looks. I'm a woman that likes different diamonds. But isn't that gorgeous? Look at that sparkle. Love it. Anyways, I'm going to shut up now and get going on this set of beautiful, sparkly, gorgeous nails. I'll get some done and I will return to show you guys what I'm doing. Okay, so far I did get one of the nails done that I'm going to do the art on, and then the rest is going to be stones and glitter. But isn't that pretty? I just wanted a real elegant look done with swirls and some little dots. So let me show you how I'm doing that. I have just poured out some of that gold polish, and I'm just gonna draw in here. And we're just going to go on this white nail here. And I'm just going to get some on the end of the brush. You got to work kind of fast when you work with polish. So all I'm going to do is start off by going off to the side here and just coming off and bringing this around and then come around and meet it. That's what you do. You just come around to meet your swirl like that. It just makes it a little easier. And then we're going to come up. I'm going to bring my nail like this for you guys. And then I'm going to come up with this side, bring it up around, and come around again, and then go like this and meet it. That's how you get that perfect swirl without, messing it up. And then you can just fill in and fix it wherever you need to. And I'm just going to bring this down a little farther here. Okay. Make sure that's good there. All right. And then down in here, we're going to come up with it this way. Go up and around with that swirl like that. And don't worry if they're not identical. The way they come to the sides like that, that doesn't matter. This is just an elegant, beautiful look. So I'm going to bring this one up like this and come around like that and swirl it like that. Just like that. And then I'm going to fix this just a little bit there, bringing this a little bit more straight here, like that. And then kind of meeting it there in the middle. And then the dots, I'm just going to get a little bit on. And very lightly, with a light touch, I'm just going to set the brush down. And I'm going to do 3 dots, getting smaller and smaller. The less pressure you push, the less it gets. Now this one will be a little bigger. And then it'll get smaller as it goes. You're just putting less pressure on the brush. Let me take a little bit of this off and get a little bit more. So it's not so much, just real tiny like that. And then I'm going to do the same down here. Dip in the paint, put a dot. Oh, didn't get enough paint. Okay, put a dot. What the heck? My paint's drying already. Okay, so put a dot and then just get a lighter touch as you go around. And then same thing over here. We're just going to put a dot and a real light touch as you go around like that. Isn't that gorgeous? I just think that that is so pretty. Such an elegant look, but not real hard to do. But just, it looks so pretty and elegant. And I knew that I would have to use the same color gold so that it matched. Because, like I said, my gold I have for acrylic paint just doesn't match. So, but anyways, that is that. Now I'm going to start putting the gold glitter on and the rhinestones. I'll meet you guys back. Okay, now you see that I have just encrusted the gold on the pinky and the pointer and the thumb. I've just mixed it right here with some clear. I'm just gonna use my brush and just dip into it. Now this glitter, I got this one. My other ones I got from Joann Fabrics. This one I wanted to try a different one. This one here is from the dollar store. So it is still a fine glitter, but it's not as fine as the micro glitter that I got from Joann's. I still really like this. It's cheap. You get a big pack of them for only $1, so it's cheap. But you do got to kind of go over like twice with it. So yeah, it's still really beautiful, but you got to go over twice with it. So it just doesn't cover as good the first time. The other nails that I showed you on the other hand were already done twice. So I'm just going to go over, oops, and show you. I'm just painting this on. I'm leaving that one nail because that's the one I'm going to encrust with rhinestones. So I'm going to leave it. I wonder if I should do a coat of gold over it too, though. I don't know. I think I should leave it. So, but that is what it's looking like. I'm just going to shut the brush down, or set the brush down. That's what it's looking like, and that's 1 coat to 2. As you see, the second coat just gives it a little bit more, and then you can't see that gold through it. So, but it's always good to have a base color on before you, before you put your glitter on. Otherwise, you're not going to really see the glitter. As you see, it's so opaque, or very transparent. So, I'm going to finish these up, and then I'm going to go on to the rhinestones. Meet you back. Okay, and now I am back, and you see I have got this one just encrusted with rhinestones. Isn't that beautiful? Now, I kept them around the edges on this one, but as I went down, I left the sides open because that's where you would hit and bump things, and I don't want the stones to come off. So that's why I did it like that, and then I put a few into this one. Oh, I got a little piece on the end of this nail. It's bugging me. Put a little couple stones into that too. So that's how I'm going to show you. I am not going to show you this nail. It takes so long, so I'll just show you putting on this one. I'm just going to dip into a little bit of glue that I have on a tray here in an orange wood stick. And I'm just going to dip right here and a little bit over here. And then I got the crystal katana. My husband got me this, and I love it. It is definitely a lifesaver. It definitely picks up the stones. I was always using cotton swabs and everything, and I just love the way this works. So let's pick some up. And of course, as soon as you get on film, you can't do anything, right? So I'm going to set one down in there and grab another of one of the smallest stones. I'm using the smallest of the stones in that pack, and that's how you do it. You just set them down inside of there. I am going to finish up all of this. I'll do this off camera. I'm going to finish it up, and then I'll come back and show you doing the Seche vite over the top over the stones. Be right back, everyone. Alrighty, I am all done. And look at these. Aren't these stunning and gorgeous? Oh my gosh, I love them. And then the rhinestone nails there, if you see, it almost looks like there's silver mixed with gold. It's just the way I turn my finger. So this look would be great even in a silver look. But I love them. They are elegant, gorgeous, and stunning. And I have had so much fun doing this Christmas series. I hope you guys have as well. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas. Look for the toe design and the outfit to come, which I will wear on Christmas, but you won't get that till Friday. I love you guys. Be safe, be happy, be jolly, and God bless all of you.